Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you all hidden modes on Samsung Galaxy M55 5G. The first mode that I want to show you is the developer options, which grants you access to hidden options. So in order to activate the developer options, we need to go to the settings and then scroll all the way down and go to about phone, and over here go to software information. Here we need to find the build number, and then we need to keep pressing on it, keep tapping until you will need to confirm your PIN code or password or anything else that you use, and then press continue. Now over here we need to go back to the settings menu, and then if you scroll down even more down, then over here we'll find developer options, and here you will find a bunch of different options like I mentioned. So this is one thing. Another menu or mode that we can open is the recovery mode. However, for that we need to use the USB cable, and we need to connect your Samsung Galaxy M55 5G to your computer. So use your PC or laptop and plug it in. So you should not use the charger as it wouldn't work. Simple as that. I mean, it can, but most of the time it doesn't. So once we are connected, we need to turn off our device. So let's turn this off, let's power off. And once it is off, you want to press and hold the power button and volume up button at the same time. Press and hold it until you see the Samsung logo. So keep holding it, and there we go. Now we can release the buttons. We need to wait a couple of seconds to let the recovery mode show up, and there we go. Now we are in the recovery mode. Over here we need to scroll down or scroll up in order to navigate. I mean, we need to press the volume down and volume up buttons to move up or down. And over here you can find a bunch of different options. You can of course go through them one by one if you want to. However, if you are not sure what you are doing, then I suppose you shouldn't really go into this mode. And if you want to go back to the normal mode, you need to use reboot system now. And if you want to pretty much confirm your selection, then you need to use the side button or the power button. So let's reboot system now. Another mode that we have is the download mode, and we also need to connect our Samsung Galaxy M55 5G to your computer in order to go into the download mode. And this time we also need to turn off our device, so let's wait for it to restart, and once it is on we want to turn it back on, as the device has to be off for this as well. So one more time, let's turn off our device. There you go. It's a little bit laggy at first when we turn it back on, but we want to power off. And this time what we need to do is press and hold both volume buttons at the same time. So let's press and hold them until we see the cyan color on our screen. There we go. Now we can release, and over here we can read the information about the download mode. We can press volume up in order to continue through this warning message. We can press volume down in order to cancel and restart our phone, and we can also use the power button in order to show the barcode. So if you continue, then you will be in the downloading mode. And essentially, if you want to exit it, then you want to press the volume down key and the power key for approximately 7 seconds. So press and hold them in order to turn off and exit the download mode. Keep holding it, and there we go. Now we can release the buttons. So now our device should restart. You might need to wait a couple of seconds before it actually does. We can actually unplug the cable now. And these are pretty much all hidden modes that we can access on Samsung Galaxy M55 5G. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.